The product model you searched for is NE555DR. The NE555DR is a popular integrated circuit IC timer chip. It belongs to the NE555 series, which is widely used in various electronic circuits for timing and pulse generation applications. The NE555DR is a surface mount package variant of the NE555 IC, designed for easy installation on circuit boards. It features a precision timing capability, adjustable timing range, and high stability. The NE555DR operates in a wide voltage range and can drive various loads, making it suitable for a wide range of applications, including oscillators, timers, pulse generators, and voltage-controlled oscillators. With its compact size and versatile functionality, the NE555DR is a reliable and cost-effective choice for electronic projects requiring accurate timing and pulse generation.